Let's take a look at something called the Quick Link menu. And you may not notice it if it's actually on the Start button here. But wait a minute, we only saw 3 sections on this button. Well, it's kind of hidden. It's the right click on the Start button. I'm going to right click on it, and right here you see the Quick Link menu. Now, there are a couple of things that we can change on the Quick Link menu, and again, when we get down to configurations, we'll talk about those. But these take you to some of the very common configuration areas on the computer. Things like disk management and PowerShell and computer management and device manager and so on. All of these different areas that some of them are MMCs, some are the control panel, and so forth. Speaking of the control panel, you notice that that's missing from here. I have no control panel option over here. Microsoft is trying very hard to get us to go away from the control panel and toward some of these other things, and particularly toward the settings app that we have over here. So to get to the control panel, the easiest way is just to type control panel and then jump to the control panel from there. But we will talk about things on the control panel later on. One other thing about the Quick Link menu is that Microsoft really likes to call this the Windows X menu, or the WinX menu. And the reason is because if I just hold down the Windows key to the right of my space bar and then the X button, it takes me to that Quick Link menu. So it's the exact same Quick Link menu whether I right click on the Start button or type the WinX key combination. Either way works. Alright, thank you very much. And now we're going to talk about pinning something to the desktop next time, something that's not in the book but I think is important to know about.